Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. Are you tired of your laptop staying awake when you close the lid? Maybe you've noticed that it keeps running, using up battery power, or staying hot in your bag. Imagine if your laptop could automatically shut down the moment you close the lid. Neat and efficient, right? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set your laptop to shut down automatically when you close the lid. It's a simple tweak that can help you save power, keep your device cool, and make your workflow smoother. Let's get started. First, open your settings. You can do this by pressing the Windows key plus I on your keyboard or by clicking the Start menu and searching for Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go to System and then navigate to Power and Battery. Now look for the option labeled Lid and Power Button Controls and click on it. Here, you'll see two categories, one for plugged in and another for on battery. Under each of these categories, you'll find the setting that says, closing the lid will make my PC. For mine, it's currently set to hibernate, but yours might be sleep or do nothing. This means that when I close my lid, the laptop goes into hibernation mode. But we want it to shut down completely when the lid is closed. So let's change that option to shutdown for both categories, plugged in and on battery. That way, whether your laptop is charging or running on battery, it will automatically shut down as soon as you close the lid. And that's it. From now on, your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop will shut down automatically when you close the lid. No more worrying about your laptop running in your bag or draining your battery. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tech tips and tricks and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.